Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? I hope you all are doing well. So here is a part 3 of chapter number 1, number system. In the last part, I explain you about how conversion from decimal to binary made and what is the steps we have to carry out for converting decimal number into binary. Now today I'm going to explain you about how binary to decimal conversion we have to do and what steps taken out for this method, for this calculation. So here I will start explaining you the second type, second conversion, which is binary to decimal number conversion. you have to remember you have to remember few steps for converting binary number into decimal number. Follow the given steps. To convert a binary number into decimal number, follow the given steps. First step, multiply each binary number with its positional value. We have to multiply each binary number with its positional value, which is in the term of power of 2. It is in a term of power of 2. Starting from the extreme right digit means that we have to start giving position from a right hand side. I explain you this method in the first part only. Right? We raise to the sum with 10 and raise to the position. Right? Here is a power 2 then except that 10. Okay, and as an you have to use positional number on it. Increase the power 1 by 1 means that go left side and increase the power number, like from 0 to 1 2 3 4 5 6, like this, keeping the base fixed as a 2. बेस को 2 ही रखना है बिकॉज ये बाइनरी कन्वर्जन है, राइट. सो इन अ बाइनरी कन्वर्जन base 2 is fixed, but the power is changed, which is going to change as per the position of it. Sum up all the products to get the decimal number. Then afterward, whenever you get the answer of all the products, then you have to sum all the products of the decimal number. How we will do it? Let's see. Here is the example 1. 1010. 1010 is one example. 3 types of method you can perform. 3 types of method you can perform in it. Okay, 3 way you can do it. How you can do it? 3 way. Let's see how which method and which method is better for you all. ठीक है. So here is one number 10102 101010. This is a binary number, so base is 2. First of all, we will take from a right hand side 0. Right hand side वाला first number लेना है. What is the position of it? Write down on a up side. I will show you on a next page that how you can do it. 1010. Okay, this is a number. Let's see. Take 1010. This is a binary number, so base is 2. We start writing from right hand side, means यहाँ पे लिख दो 0. Multiply, base is 2. Now give the position to it. We start from right hand side, so we start giving position from a right hand side and with 0. First position 0, then 1, then 2 and then 3. So 0 की position क्या है? 0 है, right? So we write down 0 into 2 raised to 0. Then the 1, second number है 1 into 2 raised to, position is what? 1. Next number is 0 into 2 raised to, what is the position of 0? 2. So 2 raised to 2. Then the last number is 1. So write down 1 into 2 raised to, what is the position of it? 3. So write down 2 raised to 3. If you're here, the first number is 0, you directly have to write down 0. No need to count it. Okay. Now 2 raised to 1 means 2 counts 1 time. So what is the answer of it? 2. And 2 ones are 2. 2. 2 raised to 2. means 2 count 2 times, 2 into 2, 2 2s are 4, right? So we have to write down 2 2s are 4, but here is the first number is 0, but 4 into 0, 0. 2 raised to 3, 2 counts 3 times, 2 into 2 into 2, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, right? So we are writing 8. 2 raised to 3's answer is 8. 8 ones are 8. Add this all numbers. 0 plus 2 plus 0 plus 8. What is the answer? 10. So 1 0 1 0 1 0 means 10. Clear everyone? This is the first method. Now the second method you can do with this way. The same number we have, same way you can do it with it. But what is the method is, here is giving to you. Just this way. जैसे मैंने आपको फर्स्ट मेथड बताया था इन अ डेसिमल नंबर, दैट वे. 1 into 2 raised to 0, 1. 0 into 2 raised to 1, 0. 0 into 2 raised to 2, 0. 1 into 2 raised to 3 0 is equal to 8. So answer is total of this all number 9. Clear? This way also you can do it. Okay, now I show you here. 1 0 0 1. This is the second number. This is binary number. We start giving position from right hand side. So give first 0, then 1, then 2 and then 3. Position देना compulsory है, then only you can do this sum. चलो फर्स्ट नंबर ले लेते हैं 1. सो यहाँ पे लिख दो ऐसे 1 into 2 raised to 0 position. 2 raised to 0 is a position. Then the second number is 0 into 2 raised to, what is the position of it? 1. So write like this. Then the third number is again 0 into 2 compulsory raised to, whatever the position of it is, 2. And the last number is 1 into 2 raised to 3. This 2 and position 3. Okay. Now here 2 raised to 0. मैंने बोला था आपको any number raised to 0 means answer always 1. So 1 1s are 1 is equal to 2 raised to 1 means 2 count 1 time. What is the answer? 2. But then 2 is multiplied with 0 means answer is what? 0. 2 raised to 2 means 2 count 2 times means what is the answer of it? 2 into 2. What is the answer of it? 2 2s are 4. But this 4 counts multiply with 0 means answer is what? 0. 2 raised to 3 means 2 counts 3 times. पहले 2 लिख दो, ऊपर कौन सा नंबर है? 3. So this 2 count 3 times, मतलब 3 times यहाँ पे ऐसे लिख दो. What is the answer of 2 raised to 3? 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So 8 1s are 8. Now add all these 4 number. What is the answer of it? 9. So 1 0 1 0 0 1 means 9. Clear everyone? Clear or not? So this is the second method how you can perform binary to decimal conversion. So 1 0 0 1 का आंसर क्या होता है? 9. Okay, and 1 0 1 0 का मतलब क्या होता है? 10. Here is the second number also be there. 1 and the third method also. 1 1 0 0 1 0 0 1. Okay, so let's we write down this number. 1 1 0 0 1 0 0 1. This is a binary number. So here is a one number 1 1 0 0 1 0 0 1 with the base 2. सबसे पहले पोजीशन दे दो फ्रॉम अ राइट हैंड साइड मीन्स 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. Okay, let's start from right hand side only. पहला नंबर ले लो इज इक्वल टू ब्रैकेट डू 1 into 2 raised to 0. Write down here 2 raised to 0. Bracket over plus. Then again bracket second number 0 into 2 raised to position, what is it? 1 plus. Next number is again 0. So 0 into 2 raised to position is 2. Then again plus. Then again bracket. Next number is 1. So 1 into 2 raised to 3 plus 0 into 2 raised to 4. What is the position of it? That one. Plus again bracket. Next number is 0 into 2 raised to position is 5. So write down 5 plus 0 into 2 raised to 6 plus next number is 1. So 1 into 2 raised to 7 plus 1 into 2 raised to 8 is the last answer. इस तरह से सारे नंबर्स लिख देना है विथ मल्टीप्लाई बेस एंड दैट पोजीशन. अब सबका कैलकुलेशन करना है. 2 raised to 0 means 1, so answer is 1. 2 raised to 1 into 0 is any number. यहाँ पे जितने भी नंबर्स आपको दिख रहे हैं which is multiplied with 0, we directly write down 0 of that sum. No need to calculate it. ये सबका आंसर 0 लिख दो. ठीक है. So answer is what? Look at this. Answer is here. 256 plus 128. जितने भी 0 है सबका 0 plus 8 plus 1. Answer is 393. मतलब 1110001 Answer is 393. I hope that this sum clearly understand by you. This way we have to convert binary to decimal number. You want to do sum in any method, you can do it. Okay students, so here again I am showing you there is a 3 methods of it. Here is a first method. Okay, means you need tens, hundred and in thousand. This is a method. Then the second method is this one. Take from a right hand side each number and multiply it and give the addition of it. And here is a third number in a form of multiplication and then addition. Okay, so you have to do first of all multiplication of the each things. 1 2 3 4 5, each number you have to multiply. Okay, after calculating their brackets you have to add it in the end. ये सब ब्रैकेट्स को, जितने भी ब्रैकेट्स होते हैं वो सब ब्रैकेट को पहले कैलकुलेट करना है और फिर उसको क्या करना है, एडिशन करना है. क्लियर एवरीवन? सो एनी नंबर, एनी मेथड do you want to prefer, you can prefer it, but don't write the wrong answer. Any number is here with 0, no need to count it, no need to count the power of the base of it. Directly write down 0. जैसे कि यहाँ पे आपको दिख रहा है, here is a 0, right? No need to count 2 raised to 1, directly write down 0. Here is also next is 0. 2 raised to 2, no need to count, directly write down 0. Same here in this one also. Here is a 0, 0, 0, and here is 0, 0 and 0. There is a 5, 0. No need to count that all number. Just close your eyes and write down 0, 0, 0 of that answer. Okay, so no need to count that 2 raised to 5, 2 raised to 6. If the multiply, you have to multiply it with 0, because in the end you count this whole number and in the end there is a 0, means answer of any number with multiplication of any number with 0, answer always 0. Clear? So that's why if you see the first number 0, that no need to count 2 raised to any number, means its position, directly write down 0 with it. Okay students, so this way you can do binary to decimal conversion. Okay, 3 methods, thousand, hundred, tens and unit method. Then the second method is this one, that directly you can take from a right hand side each number. And the third method is of directly multiplication with each number. You have to start writing either from a right hand side or from a left hand side, but answer will be same. इफ़ यू स्टार्ट राइटिंग फ्रॉम राइट हैंड साइड यू हैव टू राइट लाइक दिस. अगर ये राइट हैंड साइड से आप लिखोगे तो यू विल गेट दिस टाइप ऑफ आंसर. 1 + 0 + 0 + 8 + 0 + 0 + 0 + 0 + 128 + 256. This is the answer. Means totally reverse. Okay, so if you start writing from a right hand side you will get this answer, same answer from a right hand side which is on a left. Clear everyone? So this is a binary to decimal. 3 steps you have to follow and you have to do this sum. I hope this sum will you all get how to do this binary to decimal conversion. Okay, next time I will explain you about other number system like octal, hexadecimal, and then the arithmetic operations also. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy, and do activity sums by yourself for the practice work. Okay, bye everyone.